Once you go to PBX configuration, you go to start from extensions. So I'm gonna do the extension that I play with a lot. So the extension that I play with is this one. So basically, to enable the voicemail feature, you come down here. See right here, we start from right here where it says voicemail. So it's gonna be by default disabled. Put it to enable, put a password, put an email address, and select the options that you want. These are not necessarily but necessary, but you can use them. So down here now is the optional destination. So the optional destination is if you get no answer, voicemail 101. Put no message 101 unavailable 101 busy. Alright, this one should be busy. This one should be unavailable. But basically that's the gist of it, so that when you make a call, you route it through the IVR. If the person does not, and then okay, always click apply to that red thing after. So so basically the way this works that I've set up here is the person make a call, they go to the IVR, they press 1 for intake if I'm an intake worker. They go to intake and they say, oh, you want intake for whatever the case may be, and they click 1 again. So now it's supposed to ring my phone. My phone start ringing. If I am not there, if I do not answer in a certain amount of ring, it will go to the top one. If I am on the phone and they would get the busy signal, it would go to the second one. If none of those work, like my phone is complete, like my phone didn't ring, so it's not a no answer. Its phone is not busy, meaning the phone is completely unavailable, or I'm signed out of the extension, or whatever the case may be, that it cannot be reached, then it will go to the third one. But there's also seen that you're in a area where you want to make sure there's no way the voicemail does not get reached. Once you enable it here, you go to the IVR. For shorts, I'm gonna open in the new tab so you can see how I do it, so you don't have to. So I just right click. That's how I do it. I just right click, open new tab. See, it's opening here. So new IVR. So for example, the welcome IVR. No, the welcome IVR should be fine, because the welcome IVR doesn't directly message anybody except for the operator, right? So let's start with let's start with 9. Management IVR it is. So management IVR. Okay, and this is weird. Did maybe the extension changed or something while this is shown like this? That is weird. I didn't delete any extension. I'm not sure if you guys changed any extension, but I didn't delete anything. This should be so I'm just gonna put this back to the welcome IVR. That's if they press a wrong button, invalid destination, or you could just put it to hang up. Okay, so basically now what I want to do to send it straight to voicemail, I'm gonna hit voicemail, and I'm gonna put it to, this is management is 9, so management voicemail would be Okay, so the voice, so the okay, so I see why they read then, cause they did change, cause I didn't make lots of these that I'm seeing here. Okay, so let's see 193 then, for example, and we'll just do all of them voicemail. You can put them all to the same voicemail if you don't want the complication of going to a bunch of them. It's not going to cause an issue. Like I can put this to 193 too. Like it's not a problem. Alright, so I'm just gonna submit it. Okay, let me just put this other one there in case you guys forget it. And after you do that, just click apply changes. And now when you call and hit the direction to get to this IVR, it will go straight to this voicemail here.